Welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we covered types of datasets and how to use them in business for generating reports. A comprehensive look at how different datasets types in BI Builder can help you generate valuable insights and optimize decision making. Today, we are moving forward with a focused discussing on BA Builder datasets for products. In this video, we will dive deep into products related datasets, explore how to blend them and demonstrated how to create meaningful charts that can drive your business performance. Let's get started. BA Builder products datasets. Click any dashboard. I click task and projects testing. Click the edit and go to the datasets. If you create new dataset, go to click the dataset, select the database name, schema and mention the table. We discussed products dataset. These are the fields available in the product information. If you products property, you can select another dataset name, CRM products property. This dataset already available, so go to the view dataset and then select your required chart and prepare the chart and move on to the dashboard. I prefer the table chart. I select all field names and then create the chart. Respective field values will be fetched into right side of the chart and mention your chart name, save it and select the dashboard name. This chart will be captured into specific dashboard. If you combine two tables like CRM underscore product table and product property, if you want combine two tables, you need to go SQL lab, select your CRM underscore product table, another table, this is the first table, CRM products property table. If you want combine two tables by using SQL query, I have already prepared the query combining two tables. See this, the two tables are combined what we are selected field names. So after that, again create the chart, mention the chart name, save it. You mention your data set name also, which dashboard this chart will be view. You can select any chart. For example, I I captured the chart in the task and projects testing automatically. We have get a notification. So change chart name and save it. The dataset already existed, so you can change chart dataset name. This is the way to combine two products tables based upon your business rules. Thank you. We hope this video clarified BA Builder products, how they can help you create powerful business report in Bitrix CRM. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Have have you questions or ideas for further topics? Let us know in the comments. We do love to hear from you. Thank you.